I'm Ben Pascoe and I've just launched the Learning Surf Photography course, which is going to help you skip a lot of the frustrating trial and error that I went through in my first 10 years or so of surf photography. I've been running learningsurfphotography.com for about 7 years now, and I've heard from hundreds of people just like you who've asked me questions about cameras, lenses, water housings or techniques, and I've put together all of the answers to those questions, plus some of the things that I've found most important in my own surf photography journey, and I've wrapped it all together into an easy to use video course. Each category is split up into individual lessons, and with each lesson you get a video with some example photos and some extra resources if you want to dig deeper. In total there's over 9.5 hours of video content and over 250 example photos, plus there's an option to get some one-to-one online coaching as well. If you want to jump in and start practicing the fun and rewarding parts of surf photography, then head to learningsurfphotography.com and find the course that's right for you.